What's up guys, Zach here, and today I'm going to be telling you how to remove the front bumper from your MX5 NC. Now this is quite a vital job for anyone who wants to put any sort of induction kit on it. If you want to take the number plate plinth off like I have, and yeah, just general jobs, fog lights, all that sort of thing. If you need to remove the headlights as well, this is a job you're going to have to do. So it took me 3 hours, but that's because I'd never actually done it before. But today I'm just going to break it down for you really quickly, and hopefully you guys should have it within under an hour. So just a quick disclaimer, I'm not actually going to take the front off it again because it was an absolute nightmare. But what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to break it down so simply for you guys that you won't even need to see me take it off. Alright then guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's just go over the kit you're going to need for this job. First of all, we need a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, and a crosshead screwdriver, just like that. These are vital parts, so you will need all of them. And as you can see here, I've got my little Stanley set, ratcheting as well. Ratcheting does help because some of the bolts can be quite tight and they're quite in hard to reach places. So yeah, this is what you need guys. Okay then guys, so starting on the left, as you can see I've turned the wheel full lock the opposite way, and this really does help us get into all these fixings up here. So first of all, we need to remove this fixing here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Okay guys, so after you've removed those bolts, you will need to remove these. I'm not sure if you can see them. There is a bolt here at the end of my finger. There. Let's see if we, there you go. And then one just up from it here. You need to remove both of those. They are 8mm, and as you can see, these are then all the way around the front, and it is worth taking these off at the same time. Make sure you put them somewhere safe so you don't lose them, because this does actually hold the under tray of your car on. After that, you should be able to get freely into behind here, and essentially guys, there are two nuts right up inside, not quite as far as the headlight, but they're going to come to about here. They're very hard to get up to. You have to get your hand right up, so that's why it's definitely worth trying to remove as many of these under arch fixing as you can, as long as you remember to put them back. After that, it's dead simple. You need to remove them on both sides, and then we're going to move on to the ones under the bonnet. Okay guys, so these are the ones we want to remove. This one, don't remove this one, because this is actually part of the headlight unit and not part of the front bumper. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. But as you can see, mine had actually broken, so it doesn't matter, it was rusted anyway. And that's pretty much it guys. You've just got 4 more bolts to undo now. This here is a removable piece, and in here you will find a bolt. Same on the other side. I'd never noticed them before, to be honest, but once you've noticed them once, I can't actually get that off, but once you've noticed them once, you'll keep noticing them. And then we've literally, just under the arch where you've removed the trim, there is a bolt here holding on the front thing, and I thoroughly suggest getting a some sort of soft mat or something to rest the bumper on, because as you can imagine, a floor could scratch it quite easily. So that's it guys. To get it back on, it's literally just the reverse of what we've done. I'm going to put pictures in the video, because obviously it could be quite difficult to actually locate them, being I'm not doing it. But yeah, I hope it helps. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys.